A hidden mansion glows gold beneath a deep indigo sky. Helicopter blades slice the air as you descend toward terraced stone rooftops. Curved glass walls shimmer over a circular infinity pool. This isn't luxury. It's a private kingdom, untouchable, secret, carved into nature. And then everything opens. Massive glass walls slide away without a sound. The jungle doesn't sit outside anymore. It surrounds you. The infinity pool stretches forward, blending into the treeline like liquid glass. The lounge flows directly into the terrace bar, glowing in warm champagne light. No barriers, no edges, just space, power, and uninterrupted horizon. The staircase rises in a smooth sculptural curve. You move past the entertainment floor, then the formal lounge, then the private suites above. With every step, the view expands. The glowing courtyard rests below. Up here, you overlook your entire domain. The doors close behind you. The energy shifts. The master suite opens to a private terrace wrapped in dense jungle. A stone-soaking tub sits beside full-height glass. Steam rises slowly into the night air. No noise, no audience, just you and complete stillness. This is where power becomes private. Night takes over. The entire mansion ignites in precision lighting. Every terrace is outlined in gold. The courtyard reflects it perfectly. Flawless symmetry. Fire burns at the center. Supercars rest beside the water like polished trophies. From this angle, it's undeniable. This isn't just a home. It's a statement the jungle cannot ignore.